All right, we are going to use the rubric to check this sentence. He is making a silly face. The first part of our rubric is our capital letters. Capital letters come at the beginning of a sentence. The beginning of this sentence, I see the word he, but the H is not capital, so I'm going to use my red to change it to a capital H. But I'm going to check the rest of the sentence to make sure there are not any other capitals in the wrong place. He is making a silly, that S is capital, but it should be lowercase. So I'm going to use my red to fix it. Face. Check it off. All my capitals are in the right place. Now I'm going to look for my punctuation, which comes at the end of the sentence. He is making a silly face, period. The period comes at the end of the sentence. Let me get my pen back here. Put my period at the end of the sentence. Check it off. Now I'm going to check from my spacing in between my words. He is making a silly face. There is space between all my words. The last thing on my checklist is to reread it to make sure it makes sense. He is making a silly face. It does make sense. Now in the next slides, you are going to use your red to make changes and use the checklist, the rubric, to edit the sentence. And then you're going to get out your writing journals and write 2 of your own sentences and use the checklist to check your work. Send a picture of it to me on Class Dojo.